How you doing? My name is Chance. I'm over here at Beverly Hills HairClub. I have to get my hair done. Why don't you come on up? Being in Los Angeles, hair loss definitely affected my social life. Hair loss probably most definitely affected my career in a way of not only just how I felt at work, but also feeling good about yourself always brings out that confidence. When you feel good about yourself, everybody else is more attracted to you. Within just being in the entertainment industry, we are on a very surface level industry, so the way I look and feel does reflect within the work. If you look good, you're gonna thrive in that industry. First time I came to HairClub for consultation was very enlightening and very welcoming. Very cool vet, very calm vibe. Everybody was just understanding and just like, hey, let's talk about it, and you don't have to make a decision now. We're always here. My new hair performed pretty well, surprisingly well in these new environments. I am an active individual in the sense that I just like to work out, get a good workout in every day. Getting my hair back was definitely a good decision. Everything you do in life is always for yourself. It makes you feel better, it makes you feel confidence. I think it was the right decision because I've noticed within the stature, surroundings, everything in life has just kind of grown since then. Business has gotten better, lifestyle has gotten better. Being more aware of my appearance has definitely grown, and I think that's definitely helped me with just the lifestyle and everything that's going on in the world. Zero regrets about getting my hair. Go for it, do it. Not only just show up to HairClub just to talk to them, feel it out, but why not? Try it. If everything else is going away, put something back on your hair.